Good morning. It is February 4th and it's a little after 9:30, and this is a picture of the radar here in the Tampa Bay area. We're having a nice line of storms move through. We've been a little bit on the dry side the past year, so we definitely welcome this. So I'm going to go sit in my sunroom for a little bit. It's not too sunny now, but just wanted to record a little of this. Hope you're all having a good morning wherever you are. This will definitely usher in spring here. Our springs come a little more quickly than the rest of the country. This rain is exactly what everything needs out here. I'm going to film the rooftop of my neighbor's house, which will be torn down this week. They call that progress, so. This view over here isn't going to look like this much longer. That house was built in 1949, just like mine. And soon a McMansion will be built there. Hasn't been real cold this winter. We got one weekend, I think it got down into the mid-30s, and we've had a lot of temperatures in the 40s, so it's been pretty chilly winter, but nothing really cold. No freezes here in Tampa, that's for sure. Already done a lot of pruning in the yard. Got a lot of my shrubs shaped and pruned, ready for the new growth soon here. And I get a ton of new growth in March on all these shrubs, and the trees will also start leafing out. My dogwood, my shumared oaks, and my red maples will all be loaded with leaves in about a month. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you in the next one.